Hey guys, welcome to day 17 of solving LeetCode daily challenges. So today's problem is even odd tree. Let's see what the problem states. So there is a given binary tree named even odd if it meets the following conditions. Let's say a root of a binary tree is at level 0 and its children are at level 1 and their children are at level index 2, etc. So for every even index level, all the nodes at the level have odd integer values and they should be in increasing order from left to right. Now let's take a odd index, that is we then the level have even integer values from increasing order from left to right. If the given root of a binary tree, we need to return true if it is an even odd tree, else we return false. Let's take a simple example. So we can see here that 0 is a even level. So what should be the value in it? It should be a odd value. So 1 is odd. Yeah, we return and move to the next level. We see that 10 and 4. These are at even numbers and at odd level. So can we say that we have to compare the numbers, are they in increasing fashion or decreasing fashion, and then we need to first check if they are even or not, and then when we move to next level we see that 3, 7 and 9, it is in an increasing fashion, so they are odd numbers at the even level. So let's move to the next level now. In the level 3, which is odd, we see that 12, 8, 6 and 2 are even numbers, so we can say that they are in decreasing fashion and as well as even integers. So we see that there are no more levels left, so just return true in this case. When it fails, let's see what if this is the case. So in this case you see that level 0 has odd integer. Okay, and then when we move to the next level we see that 4, 2 are even numbers. Okay, so we move to the next level. We see that 9, level 2 has 3, 3 and 7. That's given that it should be strictly increasing, right? Or strictly decreasing. So they are not in the increase, strictly increasing. We see that 3 equals to 3, which returns false in this binary tree. So let's move to the code part. First, initialize a queue. Okay, so what can we use in this approach? Can we go to level order traversal? Level order traversal can be done in two ways. It can be in a DFS way or a BFS. So in this condition, I'm going to take a BFS. So let's first initialize a queue. Let's say q equals to deque, and then let's take up or append root into the queue. So q.append the root, and then let's move to the level order traversal. So let's say while q is not empty, first let's initialize even or odd. That let's say we have to first initialize even as true because we are starting from the level 0 and it's even. So next, inside the loop, let's say there is a previous node, initialize it like if it is even, let's say it is minimum, so equals to float of minus infinity, and if it is even, else let's take it as maximum size, so float of inf. Next let's move to the size of the array, so let's take it as for value or variable in range of length of the queue. In this length, what we'll do first, let's take a node equals to q.popleft of, that is we are doing level order traversal, so root will be the first. Let's take this or remove it from the queue, and now check if there is any even, or let's say if there is a list here. So okay, so if it's even and the node dot value is divisible by 2, let's say it's even number, or node dot val is less than or equals to previous one, then what will just do? So it should not be even, right? It's even and number is also even, so just return false. So next, what if the level is not even and the numbers are odd? Can we say okay, so it's not even and it's not equals to, or we can say it as 1, so for odd, and it is greater than. So we are given that odd index should have even and it should be is a decreasing order. And what if the odd numbers are in increasing fashion? Just return false. And now if, let's say if the particular node has left, we'll just move to the left, or we'll just append the left node into the queue. So q dot append node dot left. So next, what if there is a right? So let's say there is a right here. So right and take right. Now what if the previous is equals to yeah. So now the previous is updated, right? As we have included the next levels of the tree. So let's say previous is updated as node dot value now, and we'll iterate through it till the length of the queue. Let's say we are iterating it till the roots in the current level. So next, what will be the after the for loop? Let's say even is not true, or can we say is not even? If it is true, it becomes false. If it is false, it becomes true. So next, just return true if it's true in every test case. Like if it is even and it's not even here, then it returns true in this case, right? So let's just submit or run the code first. The code is running fine. Let's submit it and see. Yes, the code is submitted successfully. So that is it for today, guys. If you have liked my approach, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.